Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I have one question and one suggestion for you, Mr. Zakir. So number one question, in Islam we have many mazhab or iman. Because of this different teaching of different ideas created, although all based on Islam brought by the messenger and the God or Quran, but the late followers of this Mazhab has already diverted the ideas and made the wrong teaching. So the problem is now arises where people try to strengthen their ideas and ideologies and teaching. So right now the world is not at peace. So what do you think of that problem? Thank you.
The brother has asked a question which has already been answered in my lecture. The brother asked a question that we have madhabs and because of that the difference of teaching, so what is the solution? I told you all the four Aimmas, may Allah have mercy on all four of them. There were many Aimmas, the more four famous one, Abu Hanifa, may Allah have mercy on him. Then we have Imam Malik, may Allah have mercy on him, Imam Shafi, may Allah have mercy on him, and Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal, may Allah have mercy on him. All of them were great scholars. All of them told that you have to go back to Allah and His Rasul. And when we see the fatwas and the teachings, more than 95% is same. In points where they differed, all of them said that when you find a hadith which is sahih, that is my madhab. Abu Hanifa, may Allah have mercy on him, said, Rahimullah. Imam Shafi, may Allah have mercy on him, he said that. And all the four Imams said that if you find any of my opinion which goes against the book of Allah or the teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, ignore my opinion. So all these Aimmas came to educate the Muslim Ummah, not to divide them. It is we followers who fight amongst ourselves. The Aimmas never fought. They were great scholars. And as I told you, 95% is the same. Where they differ, maybe the hadith didn't reach them. That's what Imam Shafi, Allah have mercy on him, said. That I have changed my opinion. He wrote a book, Qadim and Jadid, Al-Um. When he traveled to Egypt, he found many new things. He changed his opinion. So all the scholars, all the Aimmas, they wanted to unite the Muslim Ummah. It is we followers who are not following the Aimmas. The Aimmas never said that you divide. All the Aimmas said, all the four great Aimmas said that go back to Allah and His Rasul. It is we who fight amongst ourselves. All of them respected the opinion of the other. So if we have to go back to Allah and His Rasul, we have to follow the Quran and the Sahih Hadith. If we find a difference of opinion, read the Quran and the Hadith. That's what all the four Imams said. If you find my opinion, which is not as per the opinion of Allah and His Rasul, you ignore my opinion. So that's what I'm telling the Muslim Ummah, we should not fight over trivial issues. And even if we differ, you stick to your opinion, I stick to my opinion, we don't fight over it. We don't take out swords. We don't abuse each other. We don't call one another kafir. We have to agree to this. We have to point out our proof. Now if I show you the proof from Quran, and if you really believe in the Quran, you will follow. I will show you a hadith. If it says you will follow, if there's a different interpretation and we differ, no problem. We agree to disagree with the different opinion. But we should not fight. We should not abuse each other. We should not call one another kafir. Inshallah, if the Muslims are united, because as we know, major points are same. More than 95% is same. So majority issues we are believing in common. Ta'alaw ila kalimatin sawa'in bayna baynakum. Come to common terms as between us and you. And if you go back to the teachings of Allah, His Rasul, and the Sahaba, the Tabain, the Tabi Tabain, inshallah again we'll be on top of the world. Hope that answers the question.
आज शादी हुई है, कल मौत आ गई, आजादी। दुनिया की हर शय मौजूद है, खुशी कोई नहीं, तो लाओ खुशी लो। हर नेमत मौजूद है, खुशी कोई नहीं। बीमारी से लड़ सकते हैं। सर दर्द अपनी मर्जी से होता है। कोई चाहता है मैं मुस्तकिल सर दर्द का मरीज, अभी भी उसके साथ बोल रहा हूं, मैं चाहता हूं मुझे सर दर्द रहे हर वक्त।